landmark agreement has been forged among ASEAN member countries. The accord deals on human rights. Rocky Ignacio returns with this report.
The ASEAN leaders signed the Human Rights Declaration during the annual summit held in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. The heads of the 10-member economies considered the Declaration on Human Rights as a landmark agreement that would help protect people in the region. President Aquino said the Human Rights Pact will be able to provide more protection, especially for Filipino workers abroad. Under the Human Rights Declaration is a mechanism to curb human trafficking, provide equal protection for women, children, elderly, people with disability, and migrant workers. The ASEAN Human Rights Declaration is in line with the United Nations Charter, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the Vienna Declaration, and Program of Action. The declaration was signed in Cambodia, the country that had suffered one of the most tragic crimes against humanity. The fields of Choong Ek, also known as Killing Fields, is where almost 2 million people, or 21% of Cambodia's population, were killed in the 70s under the Khmer Rouge regime led by its leader Pol Pot. Santoni Tamundong, a reporter from the Philippines, shared his own experience when he visited the area.
Napakabigat sa kalooban, nalulungkot ako para sa mga taga-Cambodia dahil doon sa bahaging yan ng kanilang kasaysayan.
A soccer field sites area surrounded by farmland, the Killing Fields contain mass graves, many of whom believed to be tortured before being killed.
Tabi-tabing mass graves na yung tabi-tabi siyang hukay na kung i-imagine mo yung mga panahon na yun ni Pol Pot, tabi-tabi lang din yung bangkay, doon itinatapon. Siguro kung anong lagay nila, siguro hindi na pinapakilaman, talagang basta itatambak lang doon, tapos tatabunan. Pangalawa, yung killing tree, kung saan pinapatay yung mga sanggol, yung mga babies, doon nila hinahampas, pinapalo. So, napakabigat.
But Cambodia managed to revive its dark past. Tourist curiosity about genocide in Cambodia has become an attraction. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Phnom Penh, Cambodia.